Hi, good morning, everybody. My name is Rahul Chandalia. I am the founder at Wall 3D India Private Limited. It is India's leading 3D printing technology brand. So, this is my first ever video blog that I'm making. So, it is my try to, teach people with my experience of, what is 3D printing technology and how can it benefit, how can we be a part of this technology in India, and how promising is the Indian market. So in my first blog, I would like to talk about, how to start a 3D printing business in India. We have a 4 years experience with more than 10 offices across India. We are one of the master distributors for brands like Flashwatch, Creality, CreateBot and more international brands. We have our own manufacturing of 3D filaments. We have our own in-house 3D printer brands like HiSmart series, the iTech series. We have our own 3D pens. So we come with a lot of vast experience. We have seen our ups and downs. And today we are happy to say that we are one of the most promising brand in India for 3D printing, and also one of the most preferred partner for 3D printing technology for any brands in India, whether it's an international brand or Indian brand. And I'm also happy to say that we are a pure Indian brand. Owners are Indian. We are supporting more than 50 to 60 employee strength across India today. So, first question everybody has, generally is that, so is 3D printing a good business and is it good time to start? So, in my opinion, there is nothing like a good time. Whenever you start, it's your time. When we started 4 years back, that time a lot of people said 3D printing is still at a nascent stage. A lot of people said that, Rahul, you are focusing on consumer 3D printing. It doesn't exist in India. It's only industrial grade. In 4 years, we have changed what people think. Today, a lot of my friends and people from the industry tell me, Rahul, you have made something called as consumer 3D printing in India, where we have sold more than maybe some 15,000 3D printers across India. That's a huge volume for today's. And more than 90,000 3D filaments. So, good time is when you would want to start. Personally, I feel right now is a good time, considering India is still at a nascent stage, and 2021 is one of the most promising year, I feel, for the growth of Wall 3D also, and also the growth of the overall market. As more people have started knowing what 3D printing technology is, they started accepting, yes, this technology is great and it will help me to achieve my dreams or start a new entrepreneur journey. Especially during the COVID-19, during the coronavirus pandemic, a lot of people have got to know what 3D printing technology is. So the education cost that we incurred 2-3 years back has become reduced a lot because people have started knowing, and now people are coming forward to ask, yes, I want this model, I want this product. So they are more specific and people have started learning, yes, 3D printing is available in India. And we are happy that as Wall 3D, we are making 3D printing available at your doorstep. So a good time to start, yes, opportunities, huge opportunities. The segments that I see promising right now is one of the most promising is the education sector, considering government is giving a lot of support, subsidy, and also providing a lot of support on the 3D printing for education. Education comes a very, very important aspect of the industry. So education covers things like, workshop events, then, 3D printing labs, lab setups. It also includes, teaching doodling sessions, teaching 3D printing technology. Also includes, a lot of people have got into the education part of the 3D printing. So opportunities in the education sector is huge. Second opportunities I see is in the aerospace industry and also the engineering and the manufacturing industry. So 3D printing helps anybody to make your prototype, make what are you imagining real within a limited span of time. So that's the magic of 3D printing. And trust me that even if you are seeing my video today, you will say, what is 3D printing? Go to any of our office in India, any of the 10 offices. You see a 3D printing machine live. When you see it, you will feel like, wow, is this magic? I mean, things are getting made within minutes, hours. So that's what opportunity comes for 3D printing. A lot of areas, a lot of sectors. a lot of people say, yeah, there is opportunity. So what next? What should I do? There is an opportunity to start an oil company. I cannot do. There is an opportunity to start automobile manufacturing. I cannot do. So there are a lot of segments, opportunities are there. But why am I telling you to start a business in 3D printing in India is because it's a very low cost investment. Today, I know a lot of startups who are associated with a brand who's, starting 3D printing, prototyping, 3D printing, new product development at just an investment of 25,000, 30,000, 50,000, 1 lakh rupee. So 3D printing comes with a very low cost, initial investment where a person can try his hands by understanding and exploring what 3D printing can make for him. And